Good evening viewers, welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines. Joint Working Group meeting between India and Australia on coals and mines. Ministry of Power meeting with states on new reforms linked distribution sector scheme. Irida's solar manufacturing tender under PLI scheme received huge response. Coming to the details. The first joint working group meeting on coals and mines between India and Australia was held through video conferencing, which was co-chaired by Shri Vinod Kumar Tiwari, Additional Secretary, Ministry of Coal from Indian side, and Mr. Paul Trotman, Head of Resources Division from Australian side. This meeting is a precursor to the upcoming India-Australia Energy Dialogue scheduled to be held on 13th October 2021. The discussions focused on Indian coal resources in present and future scenario, critical and strategic minerals, demand and supply scenario and engagements. India-Australia collaboration on clean coal technology, surface coal gasification, coal bed methane, sharing of technology deployed for fire quenching, coal-based hydrogen, carbon capture utilization and storage. Avenues for business-to-business collaboration on coal technology, transfer of technology, cooperation on skill development and training, issues related to coking coal import from Australia. Shri R.K. Singh, Union Minister of Power, held meeting with representatives of states and union territories to discuss on reforms linked distribution sector scheme, which has an outlay of 3.03 lakh crore rupees. The scheme has been designed as a bottom-up scheme, and the DISCOM states are empowered to prepare their own DPRs based on their need assessments, prioritizing the loss reduction works, modernization works such as system augmentation, renovation and modernization of substations, etc. The plan should take into account what the demand will be in the 10 years down the line and prepare the system to meet that demand. Funding under the scheme will be released based on the progress in operational and financial improvements in the DISCOM. The scheme envisages prioritization of 10 crore smart meters in all government departments and offices, Amrut cities, all union territories, high loss areas, commercial and industrial consumers other than agricultural consumers in total expenditure mode. Encourage and avail benefits of PM Kusum scheme for solarization of agricultural feeders. With solarization of agricultural feeders, electricity can be made available to farmers during daytime for free or at very low price from day one. States would save huge amount of subsidy being paid by them towards electricity consumption in agriculture sector. Rooftop solar may also be encouraged to meet increasing demand in environment friendly manner. IREDA invited bids to set up 10 gigawatt of high-efficiency solar module manufacturing capacities. The tender followed the Union Cabinet's approval to implement PLI program to achieve gigawatt-scale solar module manufacturing capacity with an outlay of 45 billion rupees. The bidders quoted a total capacity of 56.8 gigawatt for polysilicon ingot wafer cell and module manufacturing. For a complete vertically integrated facility including polysilicon, ingot wafer, cell and module manufacturing, the bidders quoted 19 gigawatt capacity. Reliance New Energy, Adani Infrastructure, Jindal India Solar and Shirdi Sai Electrical accounted for 4 gigawatt each. First Solar India bid 3 gigawatt capacity. The bidders quoted 15 gigawatt for ingot wafer cell and module manufacturing capacity. Of this, Coal India, Larsen and Toubro, Renew Power bid for 3 gigawatt each. Cubic PV bid 1 gigawatt capacity. For solar cell and module manufacturing, the bidders quoted 22.8 gigawatt of capacity. Of this, Tata Power Solar and Vari Energies accounted for 4 gigawatt capacity each. Vikram Solar and Avada Energy quoted 3.6 gigawatt and 3 gigawatt capacity respectively. Acme Solar, Premier Energies and Mega Engineering bid for 2 gigawatt each. Jupiter Solar and MV PV quoted 1.2 gigawatt and 1 gigawatt capacity respectively. Additional news today. Singareni Collieries Company Limited inaugurates 37 megawatt solar plant in Kottagudem of Telangana. Adani Transmission wins Green Tech Energy Conservation Award 2021. Telangana government likely to approve increase in electricity tariffs. Gridco gets regulatory approval to procure solar power at 2 rupees 75 paisa per unit from NHPC's 40 megawatt project. Price discovery at Power Exchange. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 230.88 million units of power for tomorrow cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details, price discovered during night 5 rupees 14 paisa per unit. Price discovered during day 4 rupees 33 paisa per unit. Price discovered during evening 12 rupees 17 paisa per unit. Price discovered round the clock 6 rupees 56 paisa per unit. Weighted average price is 6 rupees 39 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network and the prices are uniform in all the regions. Thank you and good day.